This is an easy and yet effective anti-aging rice serum you want to make. Hello guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how to make this rice serum. So this rice serum is an anti-aging serum that will help to plump and brighten your skin. So here you need rice. So I have about 1 tablespoon of rice. Transfer to a clean plate and add water. Okay, so you're going to wash this rice thoroughly. Make sure you wash the rice. It's very important, okay, to get rid of dirt. Okay, 1 to 2 times is okay. Then you transfer into another plate, okay, and make sure the plate is clean and well sterilized. So guys, rice is packed with anti-aging property. It also have brightening property. Okay, so we are done washing the rice. So the next thing you're going to add is about 80 to 90 ml of distilled water. Then you give it a good stir. Then you stir and mix everything together. Okay, make sure you stir very well. They are going to cover and leave for about 6 to 7, even up to 8 hours. Okay, so after 8 hours, this is what we have. Our rice has fermented. Okay, so you're going to open the lid. Then you're going to get a strainer and a plate. Then you pour in the rice. Okay, you strain and get the rice water. Discard the rice. Then here we have our rice water. Okay, so here we have about 50 ml of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Then you're going to mix. Aloe vera gel, okay, is a moisturizing ingredient. Then we added, like you guys saw, we added glycerin, which is also a moisturizing ingredient that will help to draw moisture to the skin. Okay, after that, you're going to add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, so mix and mix and mix very well. So guys, this serum is what you want to try. Okay, it will help to brighten your skin, it will help to moisturize your skin, it will help to plump your skin, it helps to reduce wrinkles and aging signs. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is very beneficial to the skin and it doesn't clog your pores. Okay, so make sure you mix and mix as you guys see me do in this video. It should be nicely mixed, and as you guys can see, this is what we have. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of preservative. I use Derma Plus preservative. Okay, it will help to prolong the shelf life of this rice serum. Then you mix and mix and mix everything together. Okay, so here you get a clean plate. Then you add about 70 ml of rice water. Then you add the aloe vera mixture. Then you mix. So this is a DIY effective rice serum you want to make. So the next thing you're going to do is to mix and mix till everything is well incorporated. So guys, rice serum is very beneficial to the skin. Like I said, it's an anti-aging serum that will help to plump your skin, that will help to brighten your skin. Okay, so make sure it's nicely mixed, and this is what you're going to get. This is how your rice serum will look like. Okay, so the rice serum is ready. Here is the best container for your rice serum or any form of serum. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has a dropper. Then you're going to be pouring in the rice serum into the bottles. So as you guys can see, this rice serum is very easy to come up with and is very effective. Okay, so if you've been suffering from dry skin, your skin is uneven, this is a serum you want to try. If you have wrinkles, fine lines, this will help to minimize that. Okay, as you guys can see, it's easy to come up with, like it's ready. Okay, hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you guys in my next one. Bye.